already moisturized my face with the moisturizer, Pond's Superlight Moisturizer. And now to start with the makeup, firstly I'm going to apply this NY Base stroke cream, and this is in the shade Pink Topaz. I have already used this cream and it is very good. It kinds of give that subtle glow to your face, and मुझे जो glowy makeup होता है वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है instead of the matte one. So I'm going for this NY Base cream. So I have took this much of cream on the back of my hand and now I'm applying it on my face. You can see the glow कि कितना अच्छा लगता है, instant glow दे देता है आपके face पे. So as I have already mentioned that it's going to be a quick and very easy makeup look. I am not going to use any foundation. So after the stroke cream, I am directly going into this concealer, and this is from the brand Swiss Beauty, and this is in the shade 04. And I'm going to apply this concealer like under my eye and wherever I have spots on my face. So you can see I have already applied the concealer. Now with the help of Damn Beauty Blender, I am going to blend all the concealer. आप देख सकते हैं कि कंसीलर ब्लेंड करने के बाद कितना अच्छा ग्लोई लाइक बेस हो गया. आपको फाउंडेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है अगर आप लाइक नॉर्मल बर्थडे पार्टीज़ या आप हैवी मेकअप नहीं पसंद करते हो, तो उस केस में आप बिल्कुल ही कंसीलर के साथ कर सकते हो. आप देख सकते हैं कि कितना प्रेजेंटेबल लग रहा है. इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग फॉर द हैवी makeup, you can always go for the concealer, like if you don't want to go for the foundation and all. So I literally prefer concealer. Moreover, मैं ज़्यादातर concealer ही use करती हूँ. I don't go for foundations because it literally hides all the like pigmentation and dark spots on your face, and it literally gives you this flawless finish. So after I'm done with concealer, I'm going to use this compact powder, and this is from the brand NY Bay. So I'm going to take very little with the help of this puff. So after powdering the face, let's move to the eyebrows. For eyebrow, I'm using this Blue Heavens Artisto brow pencil styler, and this is one of my favorite brow pencil. It literally very nicely fills your eyebrows without any hassle. So if you don't want to go for the expensive products, you can always go for this Blue Heaven. This is very like cheap and it's not at all expensive. 150-160 rupees में आपको आराम से मिल जाएगी. I have this spoolie one. You also get the other version where they don't have spoolie and they only have the product. So I'll start filling my eyebrows. First of all, I'm combing out the hair like in the upward direction, and then I'm only going to fill the sparse areas, like जो gaps है मैं वही fill करने वाली हूँ. After eyebrows, I'm going to apply this kajal, and this is from the brand Chambord, and it also comes with the smudger on the other side. So I'm going to just apply it like on my waterline. I'm done applying kajal, and with the help of the same kajal, I'm also going to like do the eyeliner because I don't have any other eyeliner with me. I am done with both of my eyes, and now अगर नाइट टाइम है और आपको थोड़ा बहुत स्पार्कल या ग्लिटर बहुत अच्छा लगता है, so for that you can use this. You can use this glitter eyeshadow, and this is from the brand Swiss Beauty, and it's in the shade Diamond Dust. However, I don't like using such glitters on my eyes, but just for experimenting a bit, I have bought this with me. Let's see how it looks. I am done applying the glitter, you guys. I don't know whether it is looking nice or not. I guess it is looking like okay. If I wouldn't have applied it, तो भी चल जाता था. But I don't know why did I go for the glitter. Kind of regretting now. But ठीक है, कोई नहीं. Now for the bronzer, I'm going to use this blush on. This is Diamond Blush on from the brand Blue Heaven. एंड ट्रस्ट मी दिस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस प्रोडक्ट. बहुत अच्छे से आपके फेस को ब्रॉन्ज कर देता है एंड इट लिटरली गिव्स दैट very nice look, very nice dimension and shape to your face after applying all the product. So अगर आपको पसंद है you can go for this product also. आप देख रहे हो कि एक ही स्वाइप में it has given that sort of color to my face. Let me tell you guys that I have completely forgotten to bring the blush with me, but we'll try with this lipstick, and this is from the brand this is from the brand My Glam, and it is their liquid matte lipstick. And let me tell you that this is very drying on your lips. Like अगर आपको ये यूज़ करनी है तो you first of all have to apply lip balm and then you can go over with this lipstick. So I am just trying to apply this as a blush and let's see if it blends or not. I am only going with the bit of the product, and with this damn beauty blender I am going to just आपको तुरंत ही ब्लेंड करना पड़ेगा. लाइक आप है ना लगा के उसको छोड़ नहीं सकते हो. So we are done applying the blush, and now for the mascara I'm going to use this Maybelline's Hyper Curl mascara, and this is waterproof. This is not the waterproof version. For lipstick again I'm going to use this only lipstick. This is from the brand My Glam, as I've already mentioned. So I'm done applying the lipstick. आप देख सकते हैं it is very beautiful grapish wine color. Now as we are done with the makeup, to fix the makeup I'm going to use this NY Base dewy makeup setting spray. Last but not the least, I'm going to use this highlighter. This is from the brand Maybelline and this is their Master Chrome highlighter. दिस इज़ माई फाइनल लुक यू गाइज. अब देख सकते हैं कि मेकअप बहुत ही अच्छा टर्न आउट हुआ है, एंड इवन दो वी हैव नॉट काइंड ऑफ यूज्ड एनी फाउंडेशन ऑन आवर फेस, इट इज़ लुकिंग प्रिटी मच वेरी नाइस. सो जैसे कि आपने देखा कि कम प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ एंड विदाउट फाउंडेशन वी हैव क्रिएटेड सच अ गुड लुक, एंड इसके लिए आपको ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं लगेगा वंस यू हैव ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स इन योर हैंड. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज़ वीडियो यू गाइस. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, एंड सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो.